looking at the eyedropper and the color sampler. Very, very important tools here. Let's go ahead and grab the eyedropper. It's this deal right here. And the eyedropper shortcut is I. Let's get our notes and put eyedropper equals I. Okay, that's the eyedropper. Okay, so now what do we use the eyedropper tool for? Well, to get colors, to get samples of colors. For example, say we like this color, we want to do this color right in here. We just click there and notice how on our swatches, color swatch, the RGB goes to the correct color numbers, and over on our tool palette we have the color. Okay, now say I wanted to say use some type here. Okay, and I want it to be all uniform. Go ahead and click there, and I could start typing. Okay, the eyedropper tool. Okay, we just have to bring this up a little bit more. Let's see. Let's bring it to about 30. Okay, there we can go. Okay, see how it's the color of the actual flower? Okay, and so that's pretty cool tool there, the eyedropper tool, because I could go in and notice how we could click there and we could get the color. It samples the color. Now if you want to get more precise, you could click on the caps lock key, and notice how you get the little target where we could scope it out. We could be really precise. So wherever that dot is, that's the color we're going to get. Okay, take the caps lock off. Okay, so that's our color or eyedropper. And our color sampler, we go to the same place up here and color sampler tool. Now, the color sampler tool is similar to the eyedropper, but you would use it for a different reason. Say that there's several, well, one of the reasons would be you have several colors you want to sample so that you can, say you want to uniform or make your website or your image uniform with text that are based off of the colors on your image here. Okay, so we could select a few of the, well, four is the limit. You could select 4 samples. For example, let's click here. Okay, now notice on my information pad or information palette, it gives number 1, it gives the RGB of the color, which is 75 or 78, 105, and 2. Okay, and say I needed this color, I'll go in here, and this is the same. This is the same principle. You want to make sure the color that you're sampling is right inside that target, right above the eyedropper. Okay, we'll click the second one. There we have it. And so here's the color for the next one. Okay, and say we want yellow or this yellow in here. Okay, we have 3, and the last one, say we want this color up here. Okay, so we have the four colors, and so we could use these colors to uniform our image or whatever we're doing with our image. You know, we could be more creative. And then if we wanted to move any of these, that's all we have to do is go inside that target and move it. Let's say here. Okay. And then let's do this. About right there. Okay. So number 4, let's look at this just to make sure. The RGB is 107, 72, and 18. Let's get out our notepad. Bring our notepad over here. Here we go. Let's pull this down. Okay, so we have R equals 107, right? Okay, G equals 72, and then B equals, what is this, 18. 18. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, let me move this out of the way for a second here. Pull this down. Okay, so let's go over to our color picker. And let's get our colors, RGB color. Red is 107, green is 72, and blue is 18. Okay, so let's do that right here in the RGB. Let's say red is 107, and the green is 72, and the blue is 18. And look at there, we have the same color right there. That is what this is looking at. Okay, so what did we learn here? Well, simple. This color picker is useful if we want to select images or colors that are on the image that we want to uniform our image with. Okay, and then if we want a particular color, we'll use the eyedropper to go in and sample that color. Okay, now if we want to clear all of these samples right here, or these places 1, 2, 3, and 4, right up here, that's all we have to do is click on clear, and voila, it's gone. Okay, all right, well, you guys are hanging in there pretty tough. I'll see you in the next video tutorial. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.